How to list hotel on Makemytrip. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to list hotel on Makemytrip. So first you have to go to Makemytrip partner portal for hotels and then sign up as a hotel partner. So on the page, you will see a button like list your property, sign up or join now. Click on that to start the registration process. If you already have an account, you can simply log in, otherwise proceed to create a new account. After that, you need to fill in basic information. So enter the required basic information about your hotel, such as hotel name, location, type of property, owner's contact details. And then submit property details, for example, number of rooms, room types like standard, deluxe, suite, amenities, nearby attractions. Next is you have to upload photos. So upload high quality photos of your hotel, including rooms, lobby, restaurant, and common areas, and special amenities. Next, set pricing availability. So set pricing such as room rates and availabilities. Update your calendar to show when rooms are available for booking. So set up payment and commission structure, complete registration and submit, wait for approval, and then manage your property listing. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.